Welcome everyone for another lesson of our therapy with Dr. Shivali Ketan. So today we are starting the new series. Like I said, we finished our emotional series, we finished our relaxation series. Now the new series that I've planned for you all is very close to my heart. So it's the gratitude series. So we all hear this word gratitude. So just see what are the things that are very close to your heart that you feel gratitude about. किन चीज़ों को आप रोज़ बिना थैंक्स दिए नहीं कर सकते. जैसे कि फॉर मी every day having my house there, my food, the people in my family, the air that I'm breathing, even in these kind of times, जिस तरह से हम रह रहे हैं, feeling thankful to God that I don't have to go out and be struggling with things. So I'm very gratitude for that, and for the people who have given me that support. There's a gratitude for that also. So just see कि आपके दिन में आप किन चीज़ों को gratitude देते हैं. So before we start the lesson, I have combined a small exercise for you which you will do every day. इरिस्पेक्टिव हम जो लेसन कर रहे हैं, मैं आपको बोलूँ या नहीं बोलूँ, आई जस्ट से ओके डिड यू डू दिस, बट देन वो आपको करना ही करना है. सो इन माई हाउस ऑल्सो आई हैव दिस gratitude jar, you can say a wish jar, you can say a manifestation jar. So all the things that I'm very grateful, and I write about even love, peace, things I want to say to people. Probably I could say the treasures that I have always received without anyone telling me. The treasures that doesn't have to be materialistically. The treasures can be, the kind of things that I'm doing, the kind of learnings I'm doing, the kind of teachers that have come into my life. तो उन सब का gratitude है लाइफ में, जिन्होंने भी parents, husband, family, children, my mentors, my friends, my acquaintances. Gratitude for each one of them. और हम उसको कैसे कर सकते हैं? तो I would say create a jar. कोई भी जार क्रिएट कर सकते हैं, उस पर आप लिख सकते हैं दिस इज़ अ विश जार. तो फैमिली ग्रैटिट्यूड जार करके आप उसका नाम लिख सकते हैं. एंड सी, अगर आप रोज़ बिफोर डूइंग एनीथिंग एल्स यू राइट डाउन कि किस चीज़ के लिए आपको ग्रैटिट्यूड है आज, एंड उसको एक पेपर में डाल के उसको डाल दीजिए. एंड वेन एवर किसी को मूड ख़राब हो रहा है, कुछ हो रहा है, उसको ऐसी जगह पे रखें. एनीवन कैन गो see, open it and see, oh, and then feel good about it and then put it there. And if you feel I should at least acknowledge क्या मैंने पढ़ा है, तो you can always share with people. So this is something which you can do practically every day. ज़रूरी नहीं कि लॉक टाइम्स में कर रहे हैं हम लोग. मेरा ये जार हमेशा से था और मैं इसको बहुत टाइम से इसको मेंटेन कर रही हूँ. समटाइम्स व्हेन आई डोंट हैव आंसर्स, आई जस्ट ओपन समथिंग एंड इट गिव्स मी सच अ ब्रीज ऑफ love, ideas, and I feel, oh wow, why did I think like this? So this is one thing before we start the lesson. So every day आपने इसमें you have to put one gratitude thing that you feel about, and then you have to write down that, and you can do it in the morning, you can do it in the evening, but try to do that. So this is one thing. We start the lesson from here. So regarding today's lesson, so the today lesson is because we are starting the gratitude series. The first lesson of the gratitude series is write down 10 things you feel gratitude about today on a piece of paper, and just write down what are the 10 things that you feel gratitude today about. Write them down. उनको लिख के 10 चीज़ें जो आज आपको बहुत gratitude feel कर रहे हैं जिन चीज़ों की वजह से. And then use paints, use colors to show that, and see what comes to your mind, what are the 10 things that you feel कि इनकी वजह से gratitude, and how you want to paint that on the paper, how you want to portray about it in the paper. You want to do it 10 things in a story form, or you want to write down a quote, and some things are coming to your mind and you want to portray it like a scenery kind of a thing. So it's your way of portraying, so just do that, go with the flow. I will be putting the music, so put the music also. And so I hope you enjoy the lesson. And before I go, I would share with you my feeling of gratitude that I feel. So, which gives me a lot of positivity. So, in the morning, I definitely try to welcome the sun because I'm an early riser. I get up at 4. I do my prayers, I do my meditation, and by 6:15 or something, I'm over with that. And I try to be there when the sun comes in. Because the place where I go, it comes around 6:10, even though the sunrise comes before. But where I stay, we see it from there. And every day I click a picture and I post it on my page also. And when I see the sun, I say Gayatri Mantra, Om Bhur Swaha Tasavitavarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yona Prachodayat. And I always say thank you for filling me up with this positivity. Thank you for coming and giving me hope. And I pray for Mother Earth and I pray for the whole humanity, and I say thank you. So this is my way of keeping myself in check with the gratitude. So I hope you can also do that. People can do sunrise, people can do, there are a lot of people I know, they do sunsets. So every day is a new beginning. So start. So anything that you feel gratitude about, start building, start working, have faith, build your hope, and give hope to your surroundings. So I hope you have fantastic time, and I'm looking forward to hear from you. And welcome to the new series of gratitude. Today's lesson 1. So I look forward to hear from you. Have a great lesson. Namaskar.